Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Macy.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this is our energy debate. Yeah.
Natural gas is a non-renewable energy source that can be burned for heat energy. The gas can also be liquefied and burned to produce heat energy.
When burning coal, it creates an exothermic reaction. This will create more energy that we can use.
There are no chemical reactions in wind energy except for the transferring of energy. This is one reason wind energy would be the most efficient type of renewable source to use. With wind turbines that are used to convert wind into energy, we see a newer generation of energy formation.
Natural gas releases a lot of energy considering that it is a gas. It is also the most efficient fossil fuel.
But no natural gas is exactly the same, and there can also be leaks in the piping and storage of the gases. We will not run out of coal in the foreseeable future. Coal produces more carbon dioxide per watt hour of energy than any other generation method.
This generation method can be very harmful to us and our atmosphere.
Solar panels make energy using photovoltaics, which are cells that change sunlight directly into electricity. They do have an effect on the cost, but after the solar panel is purchased, there is nothing to worry about because the cells can keep working for over 25 years. The photovoltaic cells are where the chemical reaction occurs to transform sunlight into electricity and other forms of energy. Overall, solar panels are efficient and the best source of alternative energy for the residents of Texas to consider. But turbines don't always work efficiently. Sometimes there just isn't any wind, such as the vertical axis turbines. Though they can be placed on the ground, wind speeds are relatively low, and it is harder to conduct energy with low wind speeds. Also, since these newer turbines are still going through trial and error, they are not as efficient as the older models of wind turbines.
Natural gas has fewer emissions of sulfur, carbon, and nitrogen than coal or oil, and when it is burned, it leaves almost no ash particles.
Natural gas releases carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. This is hurting our atmosphere. Also, marine habitats will always be affected by the exploring and drilling of natural gas. Coal contains significant amounts of sulfur.
After burning, this changes to sulfur dioxide and eventually sulfuric acid if it is not removed at an early stage. Burned sulfur is one of the main causes of acid rain. It is one of the major sources of pollution that contributes to acid rain, which is bad for our health. The methods of mining coal can be very destructive.
Solar panels do not release any pollutants at all and do not consume any non-renewable resources.
Solar cells that are used to create solar panels have been heard to create some pollution.
That has been proven, but it is unlikely, and if it does release pollutants, it is not much.
If there is no sun, then the solar panels won't produce any energy. Is that true?
That is true in a way, but people can purchase an energy storage system that will save any excess energy that the solar panel produces to make it more convenient.
So solar panels don't work everywhere, which means they aren't very efficient.
Actually, solar panels work in most places, but it is true that they need a lot of sunlight to produce an efficient amount of energy.
Natural gas has many different gases within it. Each gas has a different use and price as well.
But natural gas will eventually run out because it is a non-renewable resource. Coal is the most low-costing type of energy.
Even though this method might be the cheapest energy source, it also is the filthiest and can cause disease to anyone surrounding the source.
Purchasing solar panels can be difficult because the starting cost is expensive.
I heard that solar panels can cost thousands of dollars and lots of surface area is needed for them to work efficiently.
Actually, solar panels help to save money because after installation, the energy that it produces is free, and the solar panels need little to no maintenance for about 25 years. The solar panels are very durable and they last very long. They also produce no noise at all, so they are not a hassle.
They are very big and also unattractive.
The good thing about solar panels is that they can be located on any flat surfaces, such as a roof or anything else.
Yes, but the way we use wind energy now has improved drastically. Now we use wind to conduct electricity for factories and other smaller plants. This way, in the future, we are making renewable resources and not pollute our air even more because we are using it to our advantage. Money is well spent and newer turbines are made.